Have you ever heard of maintenance as a service, or MaaS? If not, you're not alone, but it's a concept that's revolutionizing the way businesses approach equipment upkeep. Imagine a world where maintenance isn't just a reactive measure, but a proactive strategy. That's what MaaS is all about. It's a transformative approach that leverages the power of cloud computing combined with predictive maintenance strategies to prevent equipment breakdowns before they even occur. Enabled by the Internet of Things, or IoT, MaaS allows for real-time monitoring of equipment, fostering data-driven decision-making. It's a paradigm shift from scrambling for solutions when things go wrong to predicting and preventing those issues, saving time, money, and stress. So how did we get here? Let's travel back in time to understand the rise of MaaS. In the past, maintenance was often reactive, a response to a breakdown or malfunction. But as we know, prevention is better than cure. Traditional maintenance methods were based on a fix-it-when-it-breaks mentality. This approach, though straightforward, often led to costly repairs, unplanned downtime, and inefficiencies in operations. As technology evolved, so did our approach to equipment upkeep. The advent of maintenance as a service, or MaaS, marked a significant shift from these reactive strategies. Instead of waiting for equipment to break down, MaaS emphasizes proactive measures to prevent malfunctions before they occur. This change was made possible through advancements in technology, particularly the Internet of Things, or IoT. IoT devices can monitor equipment in real time, collecting valuable data on performance and potential issues. This data-driven approach allows for informed, more preemptive decision-making, effectively moving maintenance from a cost center to a strategic asset. Cloud computing also plays a crucial role in MaaS, offering the ability to store and analyze vast amounts of data. This leads to detailed insights into equipment health, helping businesses take preemptive actions and avoid costly malfunctions. The shift from traditional to MaaS represents a move from a culture of repair to a culture of care. It's an evolution from reactive to proactive, from breakdown to breakthrough. This move towards predictive maintenance has been a game changer, but what exactly are the benefits? The advantages of MaaS are numerous, from reducing operational expenses to minimizing downtime. Imagine a world where your machinery could talk to you, where it could tell you exactly when it needs maintenance, long before it breaks down. That's what MaaS does. It's like having a crystal ball for your equipment. Through pay-per-use and cloud-based services, MaaS offers businesses a flexible, cost-effective approach to equipment upkeep. No longer do you need to fork out large sums for maintenance that may or may not be needed. Instead, you pay for what you use, when you use it, saving you money and resources. MaaS also provides detailed insights into your equipment's health, giving you a comprehensive view of how well your machinery is running. These insights allow you to make data-driven decisions, helping you to optimize your operations and boost efficiency. But the real game changer is the ability of MaaS to facilitate preemptive actions. By identifying potential malfunctions before they occur, costly breakdowns can be avoided. This ability to be proactive rather than reactive is the cornerstone of MaaS, and it's revolutionizing the way businesses approach maintenance. MaaS is ushering in a new era of maintenance practices, and it's clear to see why. Indeed, maintenance as a service is a transformative approach that's redefining how we look at equipment upkeep. It's a paradigm shift, moving from reactive to proactive strategies, leveraging the power of cloud computing and IoT technology. MaaS offers real-time monitoring and data-driven decision-making, shifting business models towards pay-per-use and cloud-based services. It's not just about reducing operational expenses and boosting efficiency, but also about ushering a new era of maintenance practices. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the rise of MaaS. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more insights into the world of technology and business.